Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mini Countryman wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. Make sure your Mini Countryman's ignition is completely off before you begin. This prevents accidental activation of the wipers. Place the towel on your windshield to protect it from any potential scratches or damage during the process. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. To remove the old wiper blade, gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the hook on the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. After installing both new wiper blades, turn on your Mini Countryman and test them to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. Also, take a moment to clean your windshield thoroughly for optimal visibility. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your wipers performing their best. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.